Any of it is be.
Oh! And now they'll fight over it.
Yes!
They totally will. Unless Phil's gonna do it
A lot
all
of
in
red
one
there.
bite.
Oh,
My tomato.
Yep.
mine.
I don't know if we've ever given them tomatoes.
I don't want to throw grapes in there.
I just assumed they would eat it because they eat
They
grapes.
each lose half a pound.
Well, he's gonna eat it.
Workout.
I'm gonna get away. I'm gonna get away with it.
Snake, and he's trying to shove it down his throat.
That's
No, I
how
think
they
he's
eat
trying to
little
escape
ground
with
fish
it.
and they just like suck them in with their jaws and they swallow it.
Oh, over there.
Sometimes they chomp them in half, but not
Still
usually.
got it. Still got it. Has not.
Well, he's not going to
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Poor Shell.
We need to get them fish. Throw another one in there, because he won't give that one up for the other one.
Well,
Here, this is a
my
slightly smaller
concern
one.
is
She'll
that
get one. Yeah,
Phil's gonna go for the second one, and then Shell's not gonna get regardless. Shell, over here, over here, Shell, over here.
Oh, there he goes. He's gonna guard that one until he eats the other one.
Shell,
No, he's going. Phil likes to eat in that corner over there, so if he catches
Shell,
something,
look, down here.
put your finger up by his face and drag it. He'll follow you.
It's like a touchscreen.
Yep, it is.
I purposely picked out a smaller tomato.
Come on, you can do it.
He's a basketball player.